welcome back to my channel, Chioma Tech TV. I'm Chioma, and today we will continue with a new segment in the kitchen with Chioma. Today I'll be making noodles with egg and a little bit of frozen veggies. I bet you will like it. One of the main benefits of making noodles my way is that I try to make a balanced meal with carbs, proteins, and minerals. Also, I try to make it as healthy as possible by making 2 packs of noodles with just one source, thereby reducing the salt content, also by adding veggies to it. But guys, before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, click that notification button so that you never miss a video, because I'm going to be posting a lot. Please, just hit that red subscribe button. I really need your help and support. So without further ado, let's get started. The ingredients for my noodles are, number 1, 2 packs of noodles. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. These aren't the regular noodles you buy from the store. If you want to know where I got these noodles, I got them from an African store named P&J. And they come in boxes like these. Number 2, eggs. And number 3, frozen veggies. Yummy. First, let's start with boiling my eggs. Add a little bit of water in the pot. Put your eggs in the pot and place it on the stove. This is my pot, guys. Here's the water I'm going to pour into the pot. Now I'm going to open my eggs. And I'm going to be putting in 4 eggs, guys. Perfect. Now it's time to make the noodles, guys. First, you need a clean pot and some water. Don't use too much water, guys. As you can see, I'm only using 2 cups. Might be a little faint, but it's only 2 cups. Now it's time to add the sauce. I'm going to be using 2 oils and just 1 sauce, just like I said before. But the thing I like the most about these noodles is that they come with their own little oil and their own sauce. I'm going to be cutting this open and putting it in the pot with the water before I put in the noodles. Guys, I have a little secret that makes my noodles very yummy. I add a little bit of curry powder. Okay, this is my pot. It already has the oil and the sauce. I'm going to be adding a little bit of curry powder into the pot and going to put it in the stove to boil for a few seconds before I put in the noodles. The eggs are almost done boiling. The curry powder, the oil, and the sauce are already in the pot. I'm going to be adding my noodles now. The noodles are boiling. I'm going to be stirring it before I add my frozen veggies. I'm going to be stirring my noodles now. Guys, it's time to add the veggies. I'm going to be adding 3 spoons of veggies. I also need to stir it. Guys, the noodles are ready. I'm going to be pouring it into my plate now. Guys, the noodles are ready. This is not only beautiful, it is delicious. Yummy. Guys, this is so yummy. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, click that notification button so that you never miss a video because I'm going to be posting a lot. Bye! Mwah! See you next time!